Cleavers plant can be beneficial in many skin issues and can be used both internally and externally for skin. Burns, including sunburns, can be relieved with a topical application of Cleavers, either as a juice or as a poultice. Cleavers' cooling and moving properties make it a good match for moist skin conditions that weep, especially with signs of heat. Robert Dale Rogers recommends it for psoriasis in combination with burdock root and yellow dock root. It can also be used to address acne and boils. I found an interesting historical article about Cleavers and the skin. Published in 1883 in the British Medical Journal, it chronicled a patient with severe, non-healing leg ulcers that wasn't responding to more common treatments. The doctor decided to try Cleavers. He made a poultice out of the fresh aerial growths and applied it to the leg ulcers. The poultices were changed 3 times a day. He wrote in his case study that Cleavers' effect in this most unhopeful case was decisive and plain to all. Healthy action ensued and has since steadily continued. And after a month of treatment, both ulcers have been reduced to considerably less than half their original size. Do you love herbs? Are you dreaming of becoming an herbalist? Join us at herbswithrosalee.com or click the link in the description to be a part of our vibrant herbal community. Let's keep the love for herbs growing. See you in the next snippet.